Hi guys, and welcome yet to another video on how to make money online. If you already subscribed to the channel, thank you, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe for more related content. So today I'll be sharing a website in which you can make money online by just becoming a tutor. The name of the website is called Study Pool, and I will share the address of the website in the description box. So Study Pool is an online tutoring website that is growing in numbers, as there are more than 10,000 student questions that are posted per day. So how it works is that students or anyone who needs any academic clarity post a question onto the website, and what you can do is that you can sign up to become a tutor on the website and answer those questions. Now, the questions that are posted vary. It can be anything in business or mathematics, programming, science, accounting, anything really. So once you get onto the website, you can go to this tab and you say become a tutor. Now, the application process is quite lengthy and it does take a bit of time. But I think from what I've seen on the website is that it's definitely worth it if you get accepted, because the money is quite good. As you can see, if you work the maximum hours and you put in the effort, you can make a maximum of $7,500 per month. And on this platform is that they accept tutors from all over the world. Now, Study Pool, so from the income that you get, they only take 20% from what you've earned, and then obviously the more work you do, the more you share your knowledge. It guarantees you more reliable income, and then it obviously offers the freedom and flexibility of choosing when and how to work, because you can choose your own schedule. You can make your own schedule. And then if you look at the highest earners, so the highest earner on this website is Henry Professor, and look at how much he has made. So looking at the top earners, I think there's definitely potential, and in order for you to make the most from this website is that you obviously need to choose something that you are good at, like choose a subject that you are good at. So for example, if you studied accounting, you need to choose accounting and you know you're good in it. Just choose whatever subject you think you will be good at, and you will be good at answering questions. So for example, these are some of the questions that are posted by the students. I obviously can't access them because I'm not signed in yet. But for each question, it just shows the amount, the maximum amount that they are willing to pay for that question. So how it works is that, for example, if I choose to answer this question and I see that it's $3, you can choose the question and then you submit a bid. Now in the bid, you say how much your response is worth. So you can say it's $3 or it's $2.5, just to ensure that your bid gets accepted. And if it gets accepted, then what you do is you answer the question. And you need to make sure that your response is satisfactory, so that also your rating is high, because the students will rate you afterwards. And then, so in order to sign up, you can say become a tutor, and there's an application that you need to do. So you will say apply now, and then you obviously have to fill in your details and create the account. I'm just gonna log in quickly and then I'll show you once I'm inside. Okay, so once you are inside, you can then start your application. Yeah, they say the application process takes about 30 minutes to an hour. But then if you're unable to do everything within one sitting, you can save it and complete your application later. Let's say start application and see what it looks like. Okay, so the first part of the application is just for you to include all your personal details and your nationality and your academic background. So once you're done with that, you say save and continue. So the second part of the application is for you to submit 2 short questions, answers for 2 short questions, pardon me. So you can choose different categories. So I've chosen one. I've actually done like one part of the question, which was this, and the business impact of pandemics on consumer behavior. So I obviously need to do I need to choose another category of the questions, because it helps if you don't choose one category for both of the questions. It shows that you have knowledge not just in one thing, you know. It's quite you are quite versatile. So I haven't done the second part of the questions. I will do it though, and I will do an update video just to share and give you some tips as well of making sure that your application gets accepted. That's if my application gets accepted. And yeah, and another thing is when doing these questions, for example, let me show you. Let me just open one. So another thing that's important is for you to look at the requirements of the question, because you need to stick to the requirements in order for you to be accepted. For example, this one requires 200 to 500 words, so you need to make sure that the amount of words are within that, and then the format of the question. So you need to answer in this format, and obviously you have to Google what it means. And you also need to make sure that you do a spell check once you are done with answering the question, and also a grammar check. If you can, use Grammarly, but if you think you don't need it, you know all the grammar rules, then it's fine, and then you can submit your response. And also make sure that you don't use you don't write it, because handwritten answers are not accepted. So you need to use Microsoft Word. And then when it comes to payment, so they do pay using either TransferWise, Pioneer, Western Union, and PayPal. And you can only withdraw your funds from Study Pool once you have reached $50. Then you are able to withdraw your earnings. And what's also exciting about this website is that this is not the only way to make money online. There's also another way. Let me just show you. So another way in which you can also make money on this website is that you can sell your study notes. So you can make notes of any subject matter, and then you can upload it. So every time someone uses your notes or views one of your notes, you can get paid up to $10. So the type of notes that you can upload is that you can do practice questions or study guides, or old assignments or presentations, all detailed class notes. So it really just depends on what, or you can do flowcharts of any topics, and then you can upload your file, your documents, and you can get up to $10 per document. And judging from what the top earners have made, I think this is also like a good way to make that extra money. So yeah, if you guys want to find out more and you actually want to start applying, I think there's a lot of information that is available online as well, like online videos, YouTube videos, that also just helps you with the application process. I haven't applied myself. I've just done a bit of the application, but I had to take a break in order to continue. So I will definitely keep you updated with regards to that. And obviously, I mean, hopefully when I start making money, I'll also be able to share that with you guys. But yeah, that's all I have for today. If you want to find out more, please do check the link on my description box. And thank you so much for tuning in.